Now Fs cos theta, what we are discussing exactly. Now I will tell you just a simple part with this particular, that why this cos theta or why this angle becomes 0. Now if you consider cos, they are perpendicular. That means if cos 90, what will be the cos 90 over here? Cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is always, what is cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree is 0. Let's remember what is cos 90. Cos 90 is, that implies it is 0. That is why we consider when this work done, force and displacement, they are perpendicular to each other, work done, W will be always equal to, what will be the W over here? W, that is our work done, that should be always equal to 0. W is 0 because this cos 90 is 0. This is the concept behind this particular work done. Why work done becomes 0? When force and displacement are at 90 degrees. This is the part. Now we will go ahead with our here on slides. Just remember sign convention what we have used, but will be more clear over here. Work done is positive if force or component of force act on a body in a direction of motion. Force and displacement same direction. Cos, that will be 0. W is equal to Fs cos theta. Theta 0 degrees. So cos 0 is 1. That will be F into S. Work done is 0 if theta is 90 degrees. Force and displacement they are at 90 degrees. So that will be Fs cos theta. Theta is 90 degrees. Cos 90 is 0. So again work done will be 0. Work done is negative if force acts on a body in a direction opposite to its motion. Now theta is less than 180, greater than 90. In such cases, if they are in opposite direction, this is the force, this is displacement, they are in opposite direction. Angle between them is 180 degrees. So that will be minus Fs, since cos 180 degrees is minus 1. Due to this, the convention express positive work done, 0 work done and negative work done. This is the exact concept where 3 different type of work done are created according to angles, thetas, according to their directions. Now what are the conditions? 2 conditions should be satisfied, necessary conditions for work to be done. What are the 2 conditions? Force should act on object. Remember, जो object है उसपे force act होनी चाहिए. Force should always act on the object. इधर उधर force act होना चाहिए. Force should act on object only. Force must be displaced. Object must be displaced. So object का मतलब क्या है? What is the part here? Object must be displaced. Object एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जानी चाहिए. Displacement should be done. Object वहीं की वहीं नहीं चलेगा. Object एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाए. Object must be displaced. Now force applied, but no displacement. One of the example over here. If force is without motion, this force is perpendicular. This is the example what I have taken. Now in first case, this is the force applied without motion. Person is pushing this particular box, but there is no motion. Box is not moving. Second case, he is lifting the box. Force is in upward direction. Force is perpendicular to motion and he is moving with a constant velocity. दो चीज देखो, इसमें हम पुश कर रहा है, पुश ही नहीं हो रहा है. दूसरी पिक्चर में, सेकंड पिक्चर, he is lifting that box, he is moving. Both things are done. Force is moving, but he is moving with a constant velocity. In such both cases, force is applied, but there is no displacement. Just remember, velocity displacement is 0. When velocity, there constant velocity means what? Velocity, initial final velocity becomes 0. Becomes same. Sorry. As a result, we will consider acceleration will become 0 naturally. It's the same concept we are using. So there is no displacement. Force is perpendicular to motion. Force and displacement, they become perpendicular. Here if you consider cos theta, that will be cos 90, that will become 0. So no work is done. Both cases, no work is done. But in this case, force is applied, but displacement done. This is applying force. This car is moving. आप तो जाते ही घूमते ही सुपर मार्केट में इधर उधर शॉपिंग करते हुए अपने मॉम के साथ और फ्रेंड्स के साथ, वो आपने देखा रहेगा. दिस फोर्स कॉजेस मूवमेंट इन अ डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स. दिस फोर्स कॉजेस मूवमेंट इन अ direction. This movement, it is in a direction of force. Now this girl is moving this particular car. So this direction of force is there, movement is there, and they are in same direction. In such case, what we will say that work is done, because force is applied and displacement is also done. So this will be F into S. So as a result, in this case work is done, in these both cases work is not done because there is no displacement. Now this is an example I have taken, very simple example. Force of 7 Newton has on an object. The displacement is 8 meter in direction of force. Let us take it that force acts on the object through displacement. What is the work done? So what will be the work done? Force is 7 Newton, displacement is 8 meter. What is our formula? Work done is equal to force into displacement, F into S, that is 7 into 8. What is the work done? That will be 56 joules. And 7 8 is 56, so that will be 50 joules. So total work done is 56 joules. Very simple example from NCERT book I have taken for clarity. थैंक यू. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और पढ़ाई कीजिए.